The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler, July 15th, St. Athanasius, Bishop of Naples. Athanasius was elected Bishop of Naples around 850. Before turning 20, he was a native of the same city, where his father had been Doge. Athanasius was concerned with the moral and material progress of Naples. He repaired or rebuilt the buildings destroyed by the Saracens. He built a hospital for pilgrims and the elderly, and organized the rescue of Christians captured by the Mohammedans. In 863, he took part in the Lateran Council, which had been assembled by Pope St. Nicholas I. This council declared St. Ignatius the legitimate patriarch of Constantinople. After helping the father of Christianity in this way to claim the rights of a bishop oppressed by civil power, St. Athanasius was the victim of similar pressure. Naples had fallen into the hands of Sergio II, tyrant, turbulent, and ambitious, whose private life was as unscrupulous as his politics. Sergio considered St. Athanasius as an enemy, all the more since he was his uncle and therefore had an official and personal right to reprimand his nephew. The saint did his duty and reproached his nephew for certain simony deals and other disorders. Then Sergio, instigated by his wife, imprisoned Athanasius in Sorrento. The indignation of the people of Naples forced him to release him, but he continued to annoy the bishop and hinder his work in all possible ways, so that in the year 871, Athanasius left Naples and went to settle on the island of Salvador, near the coast. Sergio then promised him peace and total freedom, as long as he resigned from his headquarters. As Athanasius refused, the tyrant sent a detachment to bring him in by force. But Emperor Louis II intervened and ordered the Duke of Amalfi to save the holy bishop in Benevento. Sergio's revenge consisted of seizing the episcopal treasure in Naples and violently attacking his uncle's supporters, so that the Pope ended up excommunicating him. For his part, the emperor decided to take the cause of the bishop on his own and was about to forcibly restore him to his headquarters when death surprised the saint in Veroli, near Monte Cassino, on July 15, 872.